Kawai ke Samla nak senang pomnokrai kelalai salit nak ti jong Nongrahbor ubadei para bete lang bat ka hadilhi. Kat kum guji thu do advocate Amit Joshi katai ke Samla kala sa penbiet how tu para bete lang ban Lait Meerut Henry ondalapoi ha katai ka jeka ulas set kut ban ka. Lai thu ru ba mar ki bahayeng Maria yo jingtip leng ba ka SMS ba ka pha mar dor kilawat jingerap. Dei da ka ji tuklar biang por ki pulet ka Meghalaya bat jingerap ki pulet ka Uttar Pradesh balalap dien ba katai ke Samla ka sha set kut ha Meerut. Halor kani ulai thu ru ban kalian ki pulet kila kem no ayuk teu Samla ubadon kti ban Nongrahbor ya ka.
We filed FIR, zero FIR here in Madanity PS. Then that FIR was forwarded to Meerut PS, Delhi PS. Then from there, the police from UP, they have rescued the girl from the guy's place. And then after rescuing the girl, the guy was also arrested. And I came to know later from the police that they recovered some drugs and all also from the guy.
Who is this guy and what company?
I don't know exactly the name of the company. And after the girl was recovered and from that guy's place, what happened then she had to go for some legal formalities also like medical test. And after her medicals were done, then she was to give her deposition before magistrate first class statement as per CRPC. So after her statement were recorded, all the legal formalities were done. Then she was, dropped back to Indira Gandhi International Airport at Delhi, and then from there she flew back to Guwahati. So in the meantime, then we are lucky enough to have such. When Balam he intervened, he spoke to SP over here also. The SP from district also he spoke to the SHO over there in Meerut. So it's a kind of collective, effort from our legislator and the police. Ultimate intention was there, but before he could, finally put her into such kind of situation, we had managed to rescue her from that. During her walking time only, she came along and she knew this guy. He was also working there in that same company. So what happened that during their working time, this guy, he viewed this girl. Then he, somehow he managed to tell her that let's go to my place in Meerut. After the lockdown happened, then he said that once the lockdown gets over, we'll come back because Meerut is just 2.5 hour journey from Delhi. So he took her there. Then after reaching Meerut, this guy, what he started, he locked down this girl in a room, wrongfully confined her for so long, and he started, physically abusing her, mentally, physically both. Then somehow the girl, she called her mother and informed her about every incident. That's how they came into contact, and then people coming from Northeast, we don't have that sort of mindset of that we easily believe people. That's the very, I should say, like drawbacks for us, that we fall prey to their work easily. So it's a big lesson for for us also, that whoever goes for the near future, so they should not fall prey to such kind of people.
Nakaliang meli ka nongkrem ba lambor malngyang budan lang hangtai ulong ba Samla kim dei satia ban sungop klumar hakiktian penbiet haba ki don sabar ka jala Henry ban long ki bapik ngor bat husiar la dia.
Allah set I hapoyen. Kaladon ka jing berngam don bok ba yo manage ban yo ban ko di kime. Adam day ba yo ban ko kamot lai jinjar. Namar ka UP ka di ka bahe. Ka population ka bak hadu kata bahe long sitang jang dari India. Kena so ban ong hane port ba la palat di kata yen jong tau. Brave bakateng ngam tip tang khot adanan no adanan state police nang ni kila along in constant touch but ki police jang ka UP khamtam apo ka way na ki police station ya ka ba kilayo ban rescue na po Meerut na po UP te kamot te hello kata ka action ka ba kila Shimstat ya ka ba layo ban palat di ki UP police. But kila arrest you, but mentau don hapo ka custody jong ki police te nakalian ke jonga ngakwa ba kane kanong ka sakoi pat ka message ba phimla banile kai pat ke jingem jongno jongo himla banilam bakla ye ki khon samla ki jongi namar age jinglong samla gamot sibun ki jing pensoi ki wan te dan kam banlong ki ba usian ne shakmat te ka an ken sashim ya ka banta ko tung kam ne law will take its own course of action jadi kita hingi mo ko ban penso ni report ngindang up namar ba ki report ka investigation kadang yan lese kam de sure tang kani lese takaba ngiyo ban yo kamiu lese ula de uri ba jumlian lese ban khai wat igi kun samla shi gi banta jogi jala te kata ngaso ban penpal den jonga ba stand action de ban shim ban penstom da batinge ya kum kineki check ba kane kalong tang kanuksa ka bang spa banai ba ki kmik pa kin hap ban long pikir lagi khun abagi pha shaki jaka ki bashabar lakalong haka puli puthi lakalong haki kam ki jam ki ba maki ki liban trai so wakin hapan dapat ha ba security ki jun ki kan biang long shadong ka jaka ka maki trai nin hapan tip ha ka jaka syong jaka sa kalong kumno pat hai ka company ka maki trai tiga kita hi bang ko apan sungo ni report ka jing kemen ki junga kalong bang ilala ban palat ya ini khon samla jungi banapo ka constituency namar koi ka mga sukya kalong ba kila presyang ru ban convert but ya ka religion ya ini i khon samla tene ni ai ngun blai ba umshim la ino ki bahiyang sem ki palong ki jingduai step admit kinong ilam niam ki palong ki jingduai namanta ini inon paisuk sa yang tedi kita ka jing men ki jonga ban layo ban yarap ban palat nam ta jungi